Hello. In this series we're looking at tips for building models designed by Newman Miniatures.
So here we have the Head Wrightson vertical boiler, but the piston unit should be located here. Instead you find it here, and it's supported on a sprue for production. Here, here, and here. So these need to be trimmed away, and there's various ways of doing this. Now of course some can use the obligatory knife, so cutting away like that. You'll see that one is now gone, but some of these other ones, a pair of shears is probably going to be wiser. So a little bit off from bottom, so if I hold this so you can see, that one is now being cut. And lastly, that one, which leaves us with two different pieces. Now with that gone, this can be trimmed a little bit more neatly. This one you can now see the component much more clearly, and arguably it's easier to keep that on its rung for the time being because it helps with painting. Of course, now we have the item separated, there's also the question of coupling rods. Now an easy way this can be produced is by taking a stretch of fine metal strip, and you might be able to see that there's a little hole being drilled in the end. That hole consequently can take a pin, if I can get my fingers to work, like so. Don't know if you saw that.
As this other model demonstrates, the coupling rods can simply be attached to the wheels with drilled out holes, and overall gives a very convincing effect.